The damage on the east wing is extensive.
We'll need to secure the structural beams first.
Crew is heading in now to assess the interior.
The crack measures 5 meters.
Noted.
Noted. Check section 5. Affirmative. The coastal wind load is a major concern. We need reinforced bracing here. Let's look at the thermal efficiency of this insulation. Keep it moving, lads. Down the stairs, carefully. Watch the glass. Next load's coming.
Keep the angle consistent. Check the pressure on the second level. Focusing on the balcony details now.
This beam here needs replacing. Okay, I've marked it. Let's get the measurements. Right, 3 meters. Keep them coming, slowly. Make sure that section is clear before you remove that one. Roger that, I'm watching the weight. The alignment looks good here. Let's secure this section. Copy that. We're ready for the next beam. All right, start grinding that out. Got it. Watch the dust. Looks good. Keep applying the mortar. Perfect. That should hold. Let's bring that closer. A little to the left. Ready. Lower it down slowly. Keep pushing. Just a little more. Secure the bolts on the right. Looks good. It fits. The railing needs to be reinforced here. The stone is crumbling. Yes, I see it. Make sure the new pavers match the existing color. Got it. Bringing them over now. And double check the level before you set them in.
Keep it steady there. Almost got it. Looking good, everyone.
Keep clearing the area around the pool. Move the wheelbarrows over here. Watch the edge of the cliff. Line them up perfectly. Tight. Needs to be tight. Grab the sand. The plan calls for the bird of paradise right here. Understood. Placing it now. Looks perfect, guys.
Yeah, great job.
Couldn't have done it without you. Easy on the left. Got it. Watch the pipes. Pipes. Clear. Hold that steady. Got it. Need to make sure this is level. Just a little to the left. Hold it steady, a little lower on the right. Now tighten the bolts. Bring up the next panel. All right, pull that panel. Got it. Watch your feet. Let's get this stove out of the way. Heavy, careful. Keep pushing it over. Right, got it. Watch the dust, mate. Pass me the wrench, please. Right here. Check the pressure on this valve. Keep it even. Looks good here. Let's move to the corner. Okay. All right, over here. Careful with the wood. Almost done. Move this chair.